This road is in Grand Blanc, Michigan, USA in Genesee County. This road was built over a year ago and has gone through the rough Michigan winter. This means numerous freeze thaws and the road has held up great. Unlike their traditional unpaved roads, this road has not seen any frost heaving, rutting, or washouts in the springtime. Since this recording, the road has had no maintenance performed since the final winter thaw. This roadway is over a mile long and is used for residential traffic, so it must withstand all climates so the citizens can have a reliable roadway to their homes. Going forward, the only maintenance the county plans to perform is a light regrading to remove the rocks that found their way onto the surface during the winter. This is a good example of how Perma-Zyme keeps your soil stabilized and hard throughout all seasons and climates.